The Harvester is an incredible open-source OSINT tool that I rely on for gathering vital information during penetration testing. It's designed to collect data on emails, subdomains, IP addresses, and even employee names from a variety of public sources. Imagine having the power to tap into search engines like Google, Bing, and DuckDuckGo, as well as specialized platforms like Shodan and Hunter.io, all in one place. With the Harvester, I can quickly compile a comprehensive list of potential targets, making my reconnaissance phase efficient and effective. The results are versatile too. I can export them in formats like HTML, XML, or JSON, which makes sharing and analyzing the data a breeze. Whether I'm hunting for vulnerabilities or simply mapping out a network, the Harvester is an essential tool in my arsenal. It's not just about gathering data, it's about turning that data into actionable intelligence. The Harvester is a popular open-source OSINT tool used on Linux and other systems to gather information about emails, subdomains, IPs, hosts, employee names, and more from public sources like search engines and PGP key servers. It's commonly used in the reconnaissance phase of penetration testing. The Harvester overview. Key features. Gathers emails, domains, subdomains, IPs, URLs. Sources include Google, Bing, Baidu, DuckDuckGo, Yahoo, Shodan, Hunter.io, and more. Results can be exported HTML, XML, JSON. The Harvester is an essential tool for gathering information during penetration testing. To ensure it's properly set up, I simply run the command, TheHarvester version. This command reveals the version number, confirming that everything is in place. It's crucial to keep this tool updated, as each version brings enhancements and bug fixes that can significantly improve my reconnaissance efforts. Knowing the version also helps me troubleshoot any issues that might arise. So, before diving into my next project, I always check this. A small step, but it sets the stage for effective information gathering and a successful assessment. The Harvester is an essential tool for gathering information during penetration testing. To ensure it's properly set up, I simply run the command, TheHarvester version. When you run the Harvester Hi-G, you unlock a treasure trove of options designed to streamline your reconnaissance efforts. First up, the D flag lets you specify the target domain, honing in on exactly what you want to investigate. Next, the S option opens the door to various data sources like search engines and social media, giving you a rich array of information to work with. Feeling overwhelmed? The L flag is your friend, allowing you to limit the number of results returned so you can focus on quality over quantity. And don't forget the B option, which lets you choose specific search engines, tailoring your search to fit your needs. With these tools at your fingertips, the Harvester becomes a powerful ally in your information gathering arsenal, making your reconnaissance not just efficient, but also effective. Dive in, explore the options, and let the data flow. Using the Harvester with the command idexample.com, bbing L50 is a powerful way to uncover subdomains associated with a target. By leveraging Bing capabilities, we deep into the web's hidden corners. This command limits our search to 50s, making it efficient while still providing a wealth of information. Subdomains often reveal the strong domain, showcasing different services or departments, which can be crucial for security assessments or competitive analysis. Imagine discovering a staging environment or API endpoint that wasn't meant for public eyes. Each subdomain can be a potential endpoint, so understanding this structure is key. The process is straightforward. Just input the command and let the Harvester do the heavy lifting. In just moments, you'll have a list of domains that can guide your next steps, whether it's for penetration testing or simply mapping out a domain-scape. It's all about turning data to actionable insights. Using the Harvester with the command dexample.bbing L50 is a powerful way to uncover subdomains associated with a target domain. By leveraging Bing's search capabilities, we can dig deep into the web's hidden corners. This command limits our search to 50 results, making it efficient while still providing a wealth of information. Using Harvester with command indexample.com, bDuckDuckGo L200 is a game changer for anyone diving into OSINT. Imagine tapping into DuckDuckGo's privacy-focused search capabilities to uncover a treasure trove of hosts associated with the domain. With a limit of 200 results, you're not just scratching the surface, you're digging deep into the digital landscape. Each result can reveal subdomains, IP addresses, and even hidden services that might not be visible through traditional searches. This is crucial for security assessments or competitive analysis. The beauty of using DuckDuckGo is that it respects user privacy, ensuring that your queries remain anonymous while you gather valuable intel. So, whether you're a cybersecurity professional or just a curious investigator, leveraging the Harvester with DuckDuckGo is an efficient way to expand your reconnaissance toolkit. It's all about working smarter, not harder, and this tool helps you do just Using the Harvester with the command theharvesterDexample.com, B Google L100 F output is a powerful way to gather information about a domain. This tool scours Google for up to 100 results, pulling in valuable data like email address and host names associated with the domain.
By saving the results to an HTML file named output, I can easily review the findings later. This is crucial for reconnaissance in cybersecurity, helping to identify potential vulnerabilities or targets. The Harvester streamlines the process, allowing me to focus on analyzing the data instead of manually searching.
It's efficient, effective, and essential for anyone serious about security assessments. Using the Harvester with the command harvesterdexample.com, B Google L100 F output is a powerful way to gather information about a domain. This tool scours Google for up to 100 results, pulling in valuable data like email addresses and host names associated with the domain. When I run the Harvester with the command dexample.com, B all L500R, I'm diving deep into the world of OSINT, open source intelligence. This tool scours the internet for valuable information, pulling emails, subdomains, and hosts from a variety of sources. By using the Be All option, I'm tapping into every possible data source available, maximizing my chances of uncovering hidden gems. The L500 parameter allows me to retrieve up to 500 results, ensuring I don't miss anything crucial. Imagine the wealth of information I can gather, identifying potential attack vectors, mapping out the digital footprint of a target, and even discovering overlooked vulnerabilities. Each email found could lead to a phishing opportunity, while subdomains might reveal additional services running on the same infrastructure. This comprehensive scan is not just about collecting data. It's about piecing together a puzzle that could enhance security assessments or inform strategic decisions. With the Harvester, I'm not just gathering information, I'm building a clearer picture of the digital landscape around my target. When using the Harvester with the command id example.com, DuckDuckGo, L100, S50 mine, I'm diving deep into the world of information gathering. This command tells the Harvester to focus on the domain example.com, utilizing DuckDuckGo as my search engine. By setting S50, I'm skipping the first 50 results, which is crucial for filtering out relevant data and honing in on the more valuable insights. Then, with L100, I'm pulling in the next 100 results. This pagination strategy allows me to efficiently sift through a wealth of information without getting bogged down by the noise at the top. It's all about maximizing the relevance of my findings while minimizing the clutter. This approach not only saves time, but also enhances the quality of the data I collect, making it a powerful tool in my reconnaissance toolkit. When using the Harvester with the command dexample.com, DuckDuckGo L100 S50 hours, I'm diving deep into the world of information gathering. When using a harvester with the command When using the harvester with the command akidexample.com, B Google L100N, I'm diving deep into the world of reconnaissance. This tool is a powerhouse for gathering subdomains and emails associated with a domain. But what's really fascinating is the reverse DNS lookup on the IP I uncover. By revealing host names for those domain IPs, I can connect dots between different services and servers. It's like piecing together a digital puzzle. Each host name can lead me to new insights, potential vulnerabilities, or even hidden assets. The ability to see beyond the surface is crucial in cybersecurity. It's not just about finding what's visible, it's about uncovering the entire landscape. With a limit of 100 results, I can quickly assess the breadth of a domain's footprint online. This is where the real intelligence lies, and it's all at my fingertips. Using the harvester with the command bdexample.com, B Google L100 CE is a game changer in the world of active reconnaissance. This powerful tool allows you to brute force DNS for subdomains, giving you deeper insights into your target. By leveraging Google as a data source, you can uncover hidden subdomains that might not be immediately visible. With a limit of 100 results, you can efficiently gather a wealth of information without overwhelming yourself. Each subdomain you discover can reveal potential entry points for further exploration, whether it's for security assessments or competitive analysis. The beauty of this approach lies in its simplicity and effectiveness. You're not just scratching the surface, you're diving deep into the architecture of a domain, mapping out its digital landscape. This is essential for anyone looking to bolster their cybersecurity strategy or simply understand the web better. So, next time you're on a reconnaissance mission, remember the Harvester. It's your key to unlocking the secrets of the internet. Using the Harvester with the command theexample.com, be Google L100 CE, is a game changer in the world of active reconnaissance. When diving into the world of domain variations, the Harvester is a powerful tool at your disposal. By using the command theHarvester DExample be Google L100T, you can uncover a treasure trove of information. It expands TLDs, meaning you can explore variations like example.org, example.net, and beyond. This is crucial for anyone looking to understand their digital footprint or for security researchers hunting for potential vulnerabilities. With a limit of 100 results, you can efficiently gather data from Google, one of the most comprehensive sources out there. The T flag allows you to target specific types of data, making your search even more focused. Imagine the insights you can gain by identifying all the different domains associated with a single brand. It's not just about finding variations, it's about understanding the landscape of your online presence. So, whether you're a cybersecurity expert or just curious about domain variations, the Harvester is your go-to tool for uncovering hidden gems in the digital realm. When diving into the world of domain variations, the Harvester is a powerful tool at your disposal. By using the command theHarvester DExample be Google L100T, you can uncover a treasure trove of information. When using the harvester with the command dexample.com, all L100E17220 10.1, I'm diving deep into the world of reconnaissance. This tool is a powerhouse for gathering information about a domain. By specifying D, I'm targeting example.com, but it's the be-all that really broadens my search, pulling data from multiple sources. Setting L100 means I want a hefty list of up to 100 results, ensuring I capture as much relevant information as possible. But here's the kicker. Using INE17220 10.1 allows me to leverage a custom DNS server. This is crucial for reliable queries, especially when the default DNS might not return the most accurate results. With this step, I'm not just scraping the surface. I'm uncovering valuable insights that can inform my next steps, whether it's security assessments or competitive analysis. The Harvester is my go-to for turning the vast ocean of data into actionable intelligence. Using the harvester with the command dexample.com be-all L50pi is a powerful way to gather information on a target domain. This tool scans for common ports, specifically focusing on HTTP and SSH services. By specifying L50, I'm limiting the results to the top 50 findings, which helps streamline the data I need. The EB-all option pulls from multiple sources, giving me a comprehensive view of potential vulnerabilities. As I run this scan, I'm not just collecting IP addresses. I'm identifying which services are running and whether they're open to the public. This is crucial for assessing the security posture of the target. Open HTTP ports could expose web applications to attacks, while SSH services might be gateways for unauthorized access. Each piece of information I gather is a step closer to understanding the landscape of my target, allowing me to make informed decisions on how to proceed. It's all about being thorough and strategic in the world of cybersecurity. Using the Harvester and adexample.com, BPGPL $100 is a way to gather email addresses from PGP key servers. By specifying the domain, the exact organization you're interested in. The BPGP flag tells the Harvester to focus on PGP keys, which often contain valuable technical context. With the L100 option, you can retrieve up to 100 results, maximizing your chances of finding the right emails. This tool is essential for penetration testers and security researchers looking to build a comprehensive contact list for outreach or vulnerability assessments. Remember, the more precise your queries, the better your results. Harvesting emails can open doors to critical insights and connections in the cybersecurity landscape. Using the Harvester with the command dexample.com, BPGP L100 is a powerful way to gather email addresses from PGP key servers. By specifying the domain, you target the exact organization you're interested in. I just ran a Harvester with fake domain, nonexistent.com, using Google as my data source. I set the limit to 50 results, curious to see how it handles invalid inputs. The command executed smoothly, but the results? A big, fat nothing. It's fascinating to see how tools like this are designed to scrape data from various sources. Yet when faced with a non-existent domain, they gracefully bow out. No errors, no crashes, just a reminder that not all domains are created equal. This highlights the importance of valid data in reconnaissance. So, if you're testing your skills, remember, even the best tools can only work with what they're given. This highlights the importance of valid data in reconnaissance. So, if you're testing your skills, remember, even the best tools can only work with what they're given. When you're diving into network reconnaissance, the Harvester is a powerful tool to have in your arsenal. By using the command theharvesterdexample.com bshodan L50BR, you can tap into Shodan's vast database to uncover open ports associated with a specific domain. This is crucial for identifying potential vulnerabilities in your target's infrastructure. But remember, you'll need an API key to access Shodan's data. Once you have that, you can quickly gather insights about exposed services, which can be a goldmine for penetration testing or security assessments. Just imagine the possibilities, discovering misconfigured servers or outdated software that could be exploited. Network recon isn't just about gathering data. It's about piecing together a puzzle that could reveal critical security flaws. So, leverage the Harvester with Shodan to enhance your reconnaissance efforts and stay one step ahead in the cybersecurity game. Using the Harvester with the command dehackthesite.org all L50 screenshot output is a powerful way to gather intel on subdomains. This tool scours the web for all available subdomains associated with hackthisite.org, pulling data from various search engines and databases. By specifying L50, I'm limiting the results to the top 50 findings, ensuring I focus on the most relevant targets. The Be-All option means I'm tapping into multiple sources, maximizing my chances of uncovering hidden gems. But here's where it gets interesting. The Screenshot Output command takes it a step further. It captures visual proof of each active host, providing a snapshot of what's actually running behind those subdomains. This is crucial for assessing potential vulnerabilities and understanding the landscape of the site. In just a few moments, I can compile a comprehensive visual report that not only highlights active subdomains, but also gives me a clearer picture of their configurations. This is how you turn raw data into actionable insights in the world of cybersecurity. Using the Harvester with the command dexample.com, bgoogle L100 CT is a game changer for uncovering hidden domains. Imagine diving deep into the digital ocean, where every wave could reveal a new subdomain. This command combines DNS brute force with TLD expansion, allowing you to explore beyond the obvious. By leveraging Google as a data source, you can pull in a treasure trove of information, up to 100 results at a time. The CE flag ensures that you're not just skimming the surface. It's about getting comprehensive results. And with the IT option, you're expanding your search to include various top-level domains. This approach is essential for security researchers and penetration testers alike, as it uncovers potential vulnerabilities lurking in the shadows. So, gear up and start your hunt. Hidden domains are waiting to be discovered. When conducting ethical phishing tests, one of the most crucial steps is gathering email addresses. That's where the Harvester comes in. By using the command TheHarvester bexample.com, b Google L50rs, I can extract a wealth of information from Google. The D flag specifies the domain, while EB indicates the data source, and ALLOW lists the results to 50 entries. But here's the kicker: the output can be overwhelming. That's why I pipe it into grep-e. This simple command filters out everything except the email addresses, giving me a clean list to work with. It's efficient and effective, ensuring I'm only focusing on the data that matters. Remember, ethical phishing tests require precision and responsibility. Always use these techniques for good, ensuring that your findings help improve security rather than compromise it. When it comes to OSINT, efficiency is key. That's where the Harvester comes into play. By using the command TheHarvester.example.com, example.org, Google L100 I can query multiple domains in one go. This tool taps into Google's vast database, pulling back up to 100 results for each domain. Imagine the power of gathering email addresses, subdomains, and even potential vulnerabilities all at once. It's like having a digital magnifying glass that reveals hidden connections and insights. The ability to batch process domains saves time and maximizes my research efforts. With TheHarvester, I can quickly compile a comprehensive overview of my targets, making it an indispensable part of my OSINT toolkit. It's not just about gathering data, it's about doing it smartly and efficiently. When it comes to OSINT, efficiency is key. That's where the Harvester comes into play. By using the command TheHarvester.example.com, example.org, Google L100 I can query multiple domains in one go. This tool taps into Google's vast database, pulling back up to 100 results for each domain. When it comes to OSINT, the Harvester is a powerhouse. With the command TheHarvester.example.com, BALL500 VNRCTPF output, I'm unleashing the ultimate reconnaissance tool. This command pulls data from multiple sources, giving me a treasure trove of information about the target domain. The D flag specifies the domain, while BALL ensures I'm pulling from every available data source. The IL500 option maximizes my results, grabbing up to 500 entries. I'm not just looking for basic info. The VA flag gives me verbose output, revealing every detail. With N, I'm fetching subdomains, and CI collects email addresses. The T option dives into the technologies used, while a P pulls in public IPs. Finally, foutput saves everything neatly into a file for later analysis. This single command is like a Swiss Army knife for OSINT, equipping me with the insights I need to stay ahead. It's all about efficiency and depth in my reconnaissance game. When diving into subdomain enumeration, TheHarvester is a powerful tool. By using the command theharvester.dexample.com, Google L100, I can extract up to 100 potential subdomains from Google. This is where the fun begins. The output can be overwhelming, but that's where filtering comes in. By piping the results into grep e AZ09 example.com, I can sift through the noise and focus on what matters, valid subdomains that belong to example.com. This clean data is crucial for analysis, whether I'm assessing security vulnerabilities or mapping out the digital landscape. It's all about precision and clarity in the data I collect, ensuring that every subdomain I find is relevant and actionable. Diving into subdomain enumeration, TheHarvester is a powerful tool. By using the command theharvester.dexample.com, Google L100, I can extract up to 100 potential subdomains Automating the Harvester tool for OSINT enumeration is a game changer in the world of cybersecurity. Imagine being able to gather email addresses, subdomains, and even open ports with just a few commands. By leveraging its powerful features, you can streamline your reconnaissance process. First, set up your environment with Python and install the Harvester. Once that's done, you can run it against various search engines and social media platforms. The beauty of automation lies in scripting. You can create a simple bash script to run multiple queries in one go, saving you precious time. Incorporate tools like cron jobs to schedule regular scans, ensuring you're always updated on your target's digital footprint. Remember, the more data you gather, the clearer the picture becomes. Just be mindful of ethical considerations and legal boundaries. With the Harvester, you're not just collecting data. You're building a strategic advantage in your cybersecurity toolkit. As we wrap up our journey into OSINT with the Harvester, it's incredible to reflect on the power of open source intelligence. We've explored how this tool can gather valuable information from various sources, like search engines and social media, all with just a few commands. Remember, the Harvester isn't just about collecting data. It's about piecing together a puzzle to understand your target better. From discovering email addresses to identifying subdomains, the insights gained can be crucial for security assessments or even competitive analysis. And let's not forget the ethical implications. Using this knowledge responsibly is key. As we close this chapter, I encourage you to practice what you've learned. Dive deeper, experiment, and always stay curious. The world of OSINT is vast, and your skills can make a real difference. Thanks for watching, and keep exploring.